Built in 1905, 651 Churchill Row is situated in the heart of Fredericton's downtown.
Come take a look inside this 4-bedroom century home.
The property has seen numerous upgrades over the years while maintaining some of the historic character.
With so much space on the main floor, you can create whatever you truly desire, like your own personal library.
Next is the bright formal dining room, which leads into the kitchen.
With floor-to-ceiling cabinetry and a butcher block island.
Off the kitchen is laundry and a powder room, plus this family room that leads out to the backyard.
Let's head upstairs.
This level has 4 bedrooms and the home's updated bathroom.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 651 Churchill Row,
Visit frederictonhomes.com.